Hey, what's up?
Hola.
My name's Leighton J.
I'm Raul.
And today we're gonna make a vlog. And yeah, so today we're planning on, he wants to get a haircut, so we're at Target right now, gonna buy some haircut supplies, and we're gonna go eat, take his dog out, and then we're actually gonna hang out with Allison and Brian today, and we'll bring you guys along for that, so stay tuned.
Peace out.
Alright guys, we are now giving Raul a haircut. This is the before result. Is it? I accidentally did already shave right there. So we are now dressed to go hang out. We're actually gonna go hang out with Allison and Brian right now. I'm gonna give you a after result on this hair. All right, let's show it.
What?
Leg turn.
Oh.
The back, I feel like I went a little too high, but it is what it is. This is my second time cutting his hair. All right, you can keep turning. Hey, look at you, fresh as fuck.
Okay. Nice.
And look, he whitened his shoes. Look how white those shit are. Damn, my shoes are horrible. But yeah. Hey guys, this is Stella. This is Raul's dog. I'm just taking her out on a little walk. And yeah, we're just hanging out. Look at us. Sit, Stella. She's pretty good trained. She's pretty well trained. Sit. Sit. Shake. Ah, good girl. Sit. Sit. Shake. Good girl. Shake. With the other one. Good girl. Up, up, come here, come up, yeah. There you go. Go on. Oh my god, it's so muddy. Hey guys, there's Raul, we got Allison and Brian over there. We're playing some pool. Close. What's up?
My teammate almost tried to help me.
Yeah, I know. Look how close that is.
That's okay. It's Raul's turn. It's Raul's turn.
Raul, it's your turn. Hey, it's your turn.
My turn to what?
Play.
What are we?
We're solids. Get that one right there.
I can't take it.
Yeah, you can. You can get that one. Yes, you can. You just can't touch with your hands. All right, the food has came. Look at that. But Raul paid. Finally paid for one. Good job. All right, this is the end of the video. Sorry if I didn't film a lot. I'm trying to be more in the present, and I realized that like when I get my camera out and I actually focus on videotaping my life, I'm not actually living it in the present. And I feel like I've been more happy now with the camera off. I mean, I'm still going to be making my vlogs and shit. Like, I love making them. Sorry that it was short. And I'm just trying to... It's better to make short videos and post constantly than make long videos and post like once a week or something, you know? So, yeah, I might just get the camera out for a couple of minutes a day and just film and update you with my life. And that was what we did today on Sunday. So, yeah, love you guys. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, look at the description below because I have some discount codes to FTM prosthetic links. Yeah, bye. Hey, what's up? Hola.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
No! She's just crazy right now. Stella, come here. Stella. Hey, Stella. That was embarrassing. So,
They're not recording the whole thing.
no.
I don't have to do anything.
No, you're not gonna do anything. Just sit there.
It's pretty. Ouch, but gentle.
Hey, you ready?
You do your thing. Are you gonna start or not?
Okay. Alright. Okay, you ready?
Oh no, look at this.
Okay, you ready?